Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. I really appreciate all y'all support, guys. If you're not already over on Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most up-to-date information on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Bunch of great followers, building a great community. Go check it out. So let's look at Bitcoin here. We're on the daily chart. I have it zoomed out for anyone that's new to the updates, the channel, the Twitter, can know exactly what's going on. So on this macro view, we're in our A, B, and C wave correction down. And what we want to see on that macro view is price to come below our A wave, which we've done, come back above, claim this level as key support, and be good for continuation in the market. Okay. What we also have is our higher time frame trend line represented by this yellow line, our local trend line here representing the white dotted line, and then we have our channel here in blue and black, which price has respected very well. So let's go in on a 4-hour view and see what we've had going on lately. So if you've been following the updates on Twitter and here on YouTube, then you know that we've came below, right, and then had this level as, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Finally broke back above to claim this A wave low as support, which we did a few times, but we were also being crunched down by the midline of this channel. Do y'all see that here? And this was actually creating some type of triangle pattern in of itself, right, between the A wave low and the midline of the channel. Okay. Then it broke below our A wave low right here, represented by the white line, and is now back tested that level as resistance multiple times. So let's get in even a little bit closer. Let's bring it up on the hour chart here. So like I was saying, we came down below, lost this level of support, utilized the bottom line of the channel as a key support level, okay? And now we've come up and we're testing this level as resistance here. And we're doing it again here, trying to break back above. And you can see this does look pretty good on a zoomed in micro view, right? Where we're creating some type of higher lows here, right? Trying to force ourselves back above this resistance level that was once support and is now flipped as resistance, okay? The only bad thing here is that the green path that is yet to be wrong yet just says that we're going to, test the midline of the channel and go back one more time. I really do think that we need to go hit the red line right here at 40765 one more time. This is the level I had drawn for weeks, months before price action was anywhere close down here. And you can see that we utilize this level on the initial correction down here as a key level of support here with, barring this, this one, wick down here. So I do think that we have to get back here and at least give this one more test. Whether that means we come up and test the midline first, we'll see what happens here at this A wave low level that we're trying to break back above right now. I do think that needs to happen. Now, I could be wrong, and we could just absolutely have a huge green candle out of here, out of this channel, and we'll be off to the races here. I do think that needs to happen. What we don't want to see for price action here, right, is to get denied at our current level here and start losing key levels of support, right? So let me pull up the path tool here. All right, so we're trying to break back above. You can see this price action trying to work itself back above the A wave. So if we were to get denied here and come test this line, like I said, I think that's optimal. But what we don't want to see is to start losing the lower part of this trend line, right, where we come down and maybe bounce here and start utilizing all these levels as resistance, right? So we lose the red line, back test that as resistance, and then we start losing the bottom line of the channel, back testing as resistance, and then we could see what would be the red path, starting to take over, where we could start, seeing that level at 38152 come back into play, right? So that's what we don't want to see. And look at this on the 4-hour chart. We're already getting that push up right here. Look at this, guys. So far, so good for Bitcoin. It's trying to push itself up. We're going to wait and see what happens at the midline of this channel, right? Which has been, a hard level of resistance ever since we've come back above from this correction and try to claim that A wave low as support here. So what I've been posting on Twitter, you can see this highlighted triangle here, right? I've been telling y'all, if you watched the updates yesterday, that price action is getting squeezed down here into a smaller and smaller area, right? It's getting confined down. So pressure is building here. Some type of decision is going to have to come soon. And it looks like the green path is still doing its thing here. But that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin, guys. That's what we're looking at for the market right now. Let's just take a quick look at the total market cap and see what it's doing here. Yeah, so total market cap is going perfectly. If you've been following the updates, then you know exactly what I wanted to see here. And this is it. I wanted to see ourselves, break from these trend lines and ultimately follow this green path and try and work its way and start claiming that 2 trillion market cap level again. So that's exactly what I want to see here, guys. Bitcoin's trying to make a move. Total market cap's trying to make a move. Let's sit back and see what happens, guys. So far, so good.